Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Wells Fargo credit card records in Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your Wells Fargo credit card records, open your preferred web browser. Visit the Wells Fargo website by entering www.wellsfargo.com in the address bar. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the home page. Select your credit card account from the list displayed. You will now see a summary of your account activity. To access your statements, look for the Statements or Document Center option. Click on this option to view available statements for download. Select the statement you wish to back up by choosing the appropriate date range. After selecting the statement, click on the download icon, which usually looks like a downward arrow. Choose the format you prefer for your backup, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm your download by clicking Save or Download when prompted. Select a location on your computer or device where you want to save the file. Wait for the download to complete, then navigate to the saved location. Open the file to ensure it has downloaded correctly and the information is intact. Repeat these steps for any other statements or records you wish to back up. For regular backups, consider setting a reminder to download your statements monthly. This will help ensure that your records are always up to date and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.